Hi guys, Um just a quick video about something that all of us do on our bikes. um, Chain cleaning. Yeah. Sachin and me were having an interesting conversation, Vadwani, as I think most of you will know, yesterday on chain cleaners. So I thought I'll quickly make this video, just to tell you all, whoever doesn't know, or wants a better idea on how to do things, this may be helpful. So for a long time, we were using this product, Motul, right? Motul was fine. The only issue is that it's also easily available in different sizes. The problem with Motul chain lube is that it's extremely sticky. It kind of picks up all the grime and gunk that we have on our roads, and our roads are not exactly clean by any standards. So it picks it up when you put it within 50 kilometers of riding. It picks it up and your chain kind of gets all mucky. It takes a long time to clean. Even with the chain cleaner, things don't come off. Your brush gets fully loaded and dirty. And I was looking for something better. And that's when I read a couple of reviews and I stumbled on this chain wax, Maxima chain wax. This as a product seems much better. This is a personal opinion. It has worked well. Basically, it has reduced chain noise as well, and it doesn't kind of get the chain all mucked up and accumulate a lot of gunk. It's pretty easy to clean off, and yeah, this is something that works pretty well. See, what tends to happen is that a lot of people I've seen, on various forums, they basically complain and say, hey, you know what, I went for the service and suddenly the guy told me, my chain has gone, and it's just been about 20,000 kilometers. And I have to replace my chain sprocket and pulley. It happens majorly because, see, all that engine force, that 95 or 100 Nm of torque, finally, it comes down to the pulley, chain, and the sprocket to deliver it to the rear wheel. Okay, so if that part is not lubricated properly, it will wear out, because that is the one connecting the engine to the wheel, and that transfers all the torque. So it has to be clean so that you don't, number one, so it lasts you longer. Two, you get pretty good pickup and there is no loss of energy while this is happening. So it's imperative that you clean your chain regularly so that it lasts out. A sprocket usually lasts for at least about 40,000 kilometers, if not more, if maintained well. Also, your chain needs to be tightened and inspected from time to time, because otherwise the O-rings between the chain kind of give up and your chain kind of stretches, and that's when the chain goes, so it starts making a lot of noise. So before you clean the chain, before you apply the wax on the chain, you need to clean the chain. And this is another product, the chain cleaner. This is basically something that dissolves gunk. So essentially you spray some on, you let it be for a minute or two, and then what I do is, you will see the gunk kind of basically dissolve. And then what I do is I kind of use the brush and brush it down, and use these kitchen towels basically to wipe off the chain, the muck that is there. It's essential that you wipe it off, and then after about 5-10 minutes, spray the chain wax on, once that dries up, and then it stays on. So you need to do this about 500-600 kilometers, essentially once every 1,000 kilometers. So every 500 kilometers you do this and you're reasonably sorted. Yeah. So that's about chain wax. You get also Putaline, which is hard wax kind of a thing, white wax, which kind of works well in probably the mountains, and this works well, in coastal conditions. So yeah, this is my little take on chain cleaning, which is something we need to do to keep our bikes running well. Yeah, so happy cleaning, guys.